Welcome to another tutorial from Play Simple Chords. In this tutorial I'm going to be covering passing chords and reharmonization applied to the song His Eyes on the Sparrow. And unlike previous tutorials, I'm dedicating this one to the memory of my mother who passed away in January. This was one of her favorite songs. So with that, let's get started. Let's take a look at the chords that are used in the song His Eyes on the Sparrow. We're going to apply some passing chords and some substitute chords to this song, but first we need to understand it in its basic form. We're going to use the key of C. So it starts off in the key of C on the 1 chord. So we play. And then we go to the F, which is the 4 chord. And then back to C. And then to a dominant chord on the 6. And then to the 2, and then to the 5, to the 1. So let's take it just that far. The first thing we can do is, if you use that concept that I talked about, borrowed chords, in the series where I did 12 gospel songs, and I also did some tutorials on the borrowed chord, and I'll link them in the description. But one of the first things you can do is, you notice in the first 2 measures you're going from C, and in the bar 2 you're still on C, and then you go to 4. So when you have a song like that where the first 2 bars are the same chord, and again the melody will help you with some of this when you're trying to figure out what chords to play. So if you're playing this, you could start. Now, what did I do right there? Instead of just playing, well, between the 2 C's we added a 2-5 to the 1, and then to get to the 4 we added a 2-5 to the 4. And that would give you this why should I feel discouraged? Then to the 4, and then why, and then we're going to go to a diminished chord. Why should the shadows come? And then we're back at 1 again. So in the first few bars we added a 2-5-1 to C, and then we added 2-5-1 to 4. Then we used the diminished chord as a passing chord to go back to the 1. Okay, then after that, the part of the song where it says, why should my heart be lonely and long for heaven and home, then That's being played with a dominant chord on the 6, and then to a 2. And then we'll play a 5 and long for heaven and home. Now you could go there, that's that C, and just land there, or you can play a 6-2-5-1 to go to when Jesus is my portion. So from here, and then when Jesus is my portion, we can use a passing chord. When Jesus is my portion, and then we're going to use that 2-5-1-4 again. My constant, then friend is he. But we're going to fill that in with another series of passing chords that you can use. We're going to use the 6-2-5-1-4. So if we back that up to when Jesus says is my portion, so from where it says when Jesus is my portion, we're going to go when Jesus is my portion, my constant, the friend is he. And we're going to play a passing chord for his eye is on the sparrow, and then we'll play and I know he watches me. For his eye is on the sparrow, and I know he's watching. He's watching. And then we'll play another passing chord. We'll play that 13th chord again. I sing because I'm happy. Passing with this 13th chord again. I sing because I'm free. For his eye is on the sparrow, and I know watches over me. Thank you for watching my tutorials. Simple chords are the building blocks for making advanced chords. And I hope you find that these tutorials are helpful to you on your musical journey. Please like, subscribe, and share these tutorials with others who have a desire to learn how to play music at the piano. I look forward to sharing other tutorials with you in future videos.